Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me solve one more problem on the pushdown automata. So here the problem is we need to construct a pushdown automata for the language where the language is n of w is greater than nb of w, where n is greater or equal to 1. According to the given language, number of a should be greater than number of the b's. Okay, so the set of the strings belong to the language are ABA, where 2 A's and 1 B is there, and in the next string the string can also start with AAB. So means number of A's is greater than number of the B's, and the string can also start with a B, BAA. So BA is there and one extra A is there, and next string I have taken 2 B's and 3 A's is there. Okay, so this is a few strings belong to the language. In the earlier video we saw the pushdown automata where number of A's is equal to the number of the B's, where the string can either start with a A or it can start with a B. Here also we are going to use the same logic. Okay, here what is the logic? If the input symbol is A and top of the stack is A, if the input symbol is B and top of the stack is B, means if we have the same symbols, we have performed the push operation. If the input symbol is A and top of the stack is B, if the input symbol is B and top of the stack is A, for the different symbols, we have performed the pop operation. Okay, so here we are going to use the same logic for this pushdown automata, but the language consists of one extra A compared to the B. Okay, now let me take one string and let me analyze that string, and then we go for the pushdown automata. So here I will consider the string BAA. So here the string is BAA. Okay, number of B's is 1, the number of A's are 2. Okay, here we know that initially the stack element consists of the Z0, and then the first input symbol in the string is B is there, so we need to push that into the top of the stack, and the next input symbol A is there, and then here the topmost element B is there, so we have different symbols is there. So B and the A, what we need to perform, we need to perform the pop operation, and the next input symbol A is there, and top of the stack is Z0 is there. We know that if the input symbol is A and top of the stack is Z0, we need to perform the push operation. Okay, and then after this A, we have reached the end of the string, so epsilon is there. Now here the epsilon is there, and top of the stack is A is there. Okay, for this thing what we need to do, we need to take this A as it is, because the language consists of one extra A when you compare to the B. Number of A's is greater or equal to number of the B's. Okay, so that can be achieved by using this transition. Okay, if the input symbol is epsilon and the top of the stack is A, we need to retain that A as it is, because from this transition we have the extra A we have achieved. Okay, and this is the logic behind this pushdown automata. Now let me write the PDA for the language. We know that the PDA start with a Q0. For the input symbol A, top of the stack is Z0, we need to push that into the top of the stack A Z0. And if the input symbol is A and the top of the stack is also A, same symbol is A, we need to perform the push operation. If the input symbol is A and top of the stack is B, we got the different symbol, we need to perform the pop operation. So this epsilon will replaces the B. And similarly, the string can start with the B, and if it is the top element is Z0, just we need to push that into the top of the stack. And if the input symbol is B and the input symbol, the top of the stack is also B, we need to perform the push operation. If the input symbol is B and the top of the stack is A, we need to perform the pop operation. So this transition for the initial transition, if the string starts with a B, just we need to push that into the top of the stack. Same for also A. If the starting symbol consists of the A, just we need to push that into the top of the stack. And for more than one B, we need to perform the push operation that can be achieved by using the self loop. Similarly for the A also. And for the different operation, we perform the pop operation. So for the different symbols B and the A, we have performed the pop operation. Okay. Now for extra 1A, what we need to do? We have reached almost the end of the stream, but still the topmost element of the stack is A. We need to retain that A as it is because the given language consists of extra 1A. That can be achieved by using this transition, and we have reached the final state. Okay. So this is a push down automata where the number of A's is greater than number of the B. Now let me make the small alteration to this program. Suppose if the number of the B's is greater than the number of the A. If the number of the B's is greater than the number of the A, means here extra 1 B is required. So this can be achieved by using in this push down automata just with the, instead of the A, we need to replace that A with the B. Okay. So this is the push down automata for the language. Number of A's is less than number of the B's. Okay. Thank you.